All right. So what I want you to do, if you guys can all do this for me, in one or two words, describe what you got out of this class. I'm gonna start with Courtney.
Informative and surprising.
Okay. Probably like that. But Queenie, how about yourself?
I would say clarity and confirmation.
I appreciate that. Andrea, what about yourself?
Good afternoon. I would say possibilities unlimited.
Christina, what about yourself?
I need to go 3 words. Cleared the fog.
Okay, I like that a lot. Sarah, what about yourself?
Limitless opportunities.
That is true. It's out there, right? Norm, what about yourself?
Valuable and motivating.
All right. And then last round, wrapping it up, that would be Melissa. Melissa, what about yourself?
Very informative.
A lot of information that we're going to try to get done in 4 weeks. For me, it's really been an honor to have you be a part of this larger cohort that we're working on. For the record, this is about the 75th time we've done this class. Now, mind you, most of them with LA's Coastal, some with the LA Gay and Lesbian Chamber of Commerce, some with the LA Latino Chamber of Commerce. So now that's what I'm saying to you is that there are more organizations that say, hey, I want to learn where everybody else is learning. Well, why not? I think there's an opportunity for us to figure out how do we help each other as small businesses, right? So Simona, what was your feedback on the class? Because you went there, I was right, you stayed the whole time. Now I'm curious, what did you think of it?
Just understanding the process more. So when I'm having conversations with folks who are applying for Business Connect, I know how to direct them to different entities based on the clientele they want to get, right? Because sometimes people go, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Now I think I have more knowledge to be able to say, yes, let's get your SBE because it's this. And then if you want to do this, you can do that. That's very helpful for me to understand. This started from when we had the LA Sports Entertainment Summit last year. Queenie was there. We were like, this certification, she was like, I don't know which one to get, how much it costs. So we started having that conversation last year. And I said that one of my goals was to make sure that whomever I help or talk to will have resources in order to determine what that looks like. So this definitely fit the bill. I appreciate you, Jack, and our continued partnership, as well as Chad, for providing the link to share with you all to join the cohort.